So just now, I attended a DDIP meeting, and today there were founders of Founder HQ, and like it is a program where they will help you to build your own startup, and they will help you brainstorm ideas and find customers and generate funding, so all those things they will help us. So uh, he said a point which I really like, which I am attaching. Uh, okay, I will be attaching it before this video. So that's pretty much about today, and I don't have anything much to share today. Okay, so paper content. I was selected at paper content as a freelancer, right? So today I got a project by paper content themselves, and it is a brand project, and I will have to write content for them. So I will be focusing to it tomorrow. So apart from that, today I worked on two internships, and like uh, I still have a bit headache, and I'm also thinking uh, to record videos weekly, and this weekly video will be professional and contentful, and will be adding more value to you. I will be noting down each and every day what happens, and I will be sharing it together in weekly video, so something like that. But before I seriously start doing that, I will be keep on making videos daily basis. So I don't want to give myself excuse and stop making videos at all. So that's about today, and thank you so much for watching till the end.